Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b plus c to the power of 2. So we have a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ac minus 2ab minus 2bc. Now we can apply this formula for this one. And now we have like this. Next, this one that is about s to the power of 1 over 2. This one with s, we have s to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. So we have 3 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. So that is about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we have the final answer, the integration of number 1 that is about s. This one we have s squared over number 2. The next one that is about number 3. So because we just put number 2 gone here, so 2 plus 1 we have number 3. Now we can do similar for the second one. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.